Okay, so you're in my house for my morning routine. So in the video I put out just recently on YouTube, which YouTube deemed it dangerous to teach you how to make this into this. So if you want that recipe, go check out my channel on Rumble. I'll put the link below this video. But I still want to show you my morning and evening daily routine as I leave the house and come home. Nothing can survive. I'll put the video of the doctor explaining why this works. But this is the 0.5 solution of providone betadine or iodine. Betadine is the company. Okay, so we've labeled our glasses. You can use disposable ones. We just run these through the dishwasher at the end of the day. The label thankfully stays. All you're gonna do is put in about an ounce into your mouth and you're gonna gargle it for 30 seconds. Here we go. Then you dispose of the liquid. That's it, twice a day. Cheap. You can make this right here for pennies. This right here, which is hard to get a hold of, is $11 a bottle. We made it homemade. Then we took the very same solution. You can use exactly this or the homemade Hummy Jummy. Put it in here, an empty clean bottle, and that's all you're gonna do. Spray snuff. And number 2, spray, snuff, spray, snuff. Okay, so if you want the full explanation of this, check out Midwest Meanderings on Rumble. I will put links below, but just wanted to show you my daily routine of my ounce of prevention. Thanks for dropping by Midwest Meanderings. God bless you. Definitely hit subscribe, and if you come over to Rumble, things are a little bit different. Give me a rumble, which is a like. Share our videos, and of course share this video. This one might fly under the radar. We'll see. Awesome. Thanks for dropping in.